Welcome to our channel Be Always Learner. Today we are going to understand some of the numerical problem which is going to use the impulse property. So here we are going to solve the summation sign. So for that, this particular example is the summation of n is equal to minus infinity to infinity e raised to the power 2n delta of n minus 2. Here delta of n minus 2 is nothing but the impulse signal and shifted impulse signal. So we are going to define first of all the impulse signal, that is defined by delta n, which is equal to 1 when n is equal to 0, and it is 0 when n is not equal to 0. So this is by definition we all know. Now this is the given statement that delta n minus 2, so that is equal to 1, which is defined only for n is equal to 2, and it is 0 and it is not equal to 2, means it is 1 for all the values which is equal to 2, and it is 0 for n is not equal to 2. And it means this equation is defined only for n is equal to 2. It means we are having e raised to the power 2n, and after putting the value n is equal to 2, we are having e raised to the power 2 into 2, which is equal to e raised to the power 4. So this is the solution of this summation sign. Second question is given by summation minus n is equal to minus infinity to infinity delta n minus 1 sine 2n. Here we know the property of unit impulse. Now it is shifted impulse, so it is delta n minus 1, and it is equal to 1 when n is equal to 1, and it is equal to 0 when n is not equal to 1. In the same way, we know that this is defined only for n is equal to 1. So we know that sine of 2n is there. It means it is defined for sine of 2 into 1. So it is equal to sine of 2, right? So this is the solution. Another one is, third one is summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity n raised to the power 2 delta of n plus 2. So it means this unit impulse is defined like delta of n plus 2, and it is equal to 1 when n is equal to minus 2, and it is 0 when n is equal to not equal to minus 2. So it is like this. So this equation is defined only for n is equal to minus 2, and here it is n square left. So we are just putting the value of n here, so it will be minus 2 raised to the power 2. It is going to be 4. So next question is, we are having this question that summation n is equal to 0 to delta infinity delta n minus 1 e raised to the power n then n square. So here the impulse signal is given by delta n minus 1. It means it is shifted by 1. So this value is defined like 1 when n is equal to 1, and it is 0 when n is not equal to 1. So by definition, this equation is defined for n is equal to 1. So we are left with e raised to the power n and n raised to the power 2. So we can put the value of n here. So this is e raised to the power 1, then raised to the power 2. So it is having value e. Next question is, the summation n is equal to 0 till 5 delta n plus 1 2 raised to the power n. Now this delta n plus 1 is defined like delta n plus 1 is equal to 1 when n is equal to minus 1, and it is 0 when n is equal to not equal to minus 1. It means this equation is defined only for n is equal to minus 1. But unfortunately we are not having the limit here. We are having the limit from 0 to 5. So this equation is not defined for n is equal to minus 1. It means we can directly write at n is equal to minus 1. So this is going to be 0. Hope you like the numerical section of the signal and system initial section. So please like and subscribe our channel.